Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to enable the rear brake replacement service mode in Volvo XC40 without using any tools or a scanner. What we'll do first is we will press and hold the engine start and stop button. Hold it until you see the lights flashing on the instrument panel. Next, we will press and hold the gas pedal all the way. Press and hold it. Now we will press and hold the parking brake button. Press and hold. Next step will be to turn ignition off. Press it once and then press and hold again. And shortly, guys, you will hear the motor working in the back. And the parking brake button will start flashing. Now you can release all the buttons. Now you can turn the ignition off. The parking brake icon will keep flashing. Now the electric parking brake motor has unwinded all the way, releasing our brake pads. Now you'll be able to compress the caliper piston and replace the brake pads. You can also replace the rotors or do any other service on your rear brakes. After you have finished working on your brakes, you will have to disable the rear brake service mode. The procedure will be very similar. The only difference is instead of pressing the button, now you'll have to pull it up towards yourself. Again, we'll show you guys. Right now our screen is off, the instrument panel, so I'll press the button once, and as you can see, the parking brake icon is still flashing. So now I will start to repeat the procedure. First I will press and hold this button until we see all the lights flashing on the instrument panel. After this, I will press again and hold the gas pedal. Now, instead of pushing, I will pull towards myself, and I will press the button once first, then press and hold again. Again, shortly, guys, the motor in the back will start working. It will go back in its proper position and our icon will stop flashing. At this point, our procedure is complete. Before you start driving, you need to disengage the parking brake, press the brake pedal and then press the button, and the parking brake is off. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this procedure was helpful. Please consider subscribing to the channel and we'll see you in the next video.